All right, so when you find a good spot, you got to respect the spot and keep the spot clean. So before everybody gets here, before the sun goes completely down, we're gonna use some of this daylight we got left and pick up some of this trash. There's a lot of it. So.
Yeah, man. This shit goes right into the river.
Really good sound, actually.
Here's the daily.
Say something.
Yo, we out here.
That's baby.
Get into it, streetcar life.
Oh no.
Man, what's up? What's up? What happened? On site, fuel pressure regulator.
Okay.
We had the screw bag out on us, but we back in action now. We on the way back. Okay.
We might get a pull from you tonight.
Maybe. For the right price.
For the right price. I get there, man. Everybody's famous question: is this street legal?
Every day.
Every day. So you daily it.
Daily.
Hey, what do you say? No trailer.
This is raining. No trailer clean.
No trailer clean, he said.
What would you do with that?
Oh shit, you can't be clear.
I know I did. I know I did.
You got the motor car, you see what I'm saying? You got the black motor car.
Oh, yeah, that's you in the That's you.
Yeah.
That's you.
Yeah, that's me in the Mopar. You see what I'm saying?
Real buddy gets done high. I know how to be. I got you.
So what? I said that screw strips out.
I don't know nothing about nothing but a thoink, all right? If y'all know what a thoink is, I need it. Where is it?
He drove that bitch all the way from the tree all the way around the
You just told me.
Yeah.
Man, just. Yeah, my daddy just got it at the shop. He just spent $5,000 on it. Oh, for real?
Hey, come this way. Yeah.
Big turbo. That's all it is.
He's so believable, bro. He is so believable.
Yeah.
Bro, it's like how you feel. Hey. Come on. Light him up. Light him up. Yeah, that right there. Hey,
me for a ride?
Can he go for a ride with you and hold the camera?
Yeah. Let's go. Stay tuned.
Single turbo?
That's that skinny boy.
Just one?
Get down like that.
I'm trying to stay alive, okay?
Hey, I can drive. I can drive.
Hey, look, I can drive.
V6. I got 100 pounds of tools in the back.
It's a 03 350Z, big turbo, built motor. God, I drive it like it's meant to be. It gets drove. Yeah, it was supercharged, and I got bored of that. Needed more power, so went turbo.
What is this your first Nissan or your Nissan guy particularly?
Yeah, I mean it's honestly my first fast car or quick car in general. Really, I was more of a four-wheel drive guy, honestly.
Really? What are you out here to do tonight? Just race out, have fun?
Yep, just bored hanging out.
What's something you don't want to run into on the track or on the street? Something you know that'll get you every time.
Probably a big turbo LS. That's
Speaking of, where the hell go?
He left. Yeah.
out of it. Big intercooler, bunch of gauges, bunch of pods. It's got Oz wheels, straight from Italy, and a bunch of gauge pods. Nothing really done on the outside of it. It's got an aftermarket wing on it, but it's mostly stock on the outside. Everyone underestimates it most of the time. Just an old 20-year-old Nissan, nothing special. It's a 88mm turbo, rods and pistons. Makes like 650 wheel. Does good for me. It's all a custom kit, the hot side. I made the hot side on it. The cold side was made by a shop in North Carolina. But eBay intercooler, Mishimoto oil cooler. It's pretty simple for the most part. A little low on gas.